Dear students, how are you all? Today we will discuss about chapter 2. The name of the chapter is, you already know, computer oriented device. Computer oriented device. Okay, so we start from lesson 10. Memory and storage device. Okay, so we have learned many things about memory and storage device in previous class. Now we will know the detail about these devices. Memory is very essential for the right operation for the computer, smartphone, game console and the machine like their ones. Memory are two kinds. One, permanent memory or primary memory. Sorry. Primary memory and secondary memory. When CPU processes the data, the necessary information of the software are stored in the primary memory. Primary memory, being very fast, can work quickly, keeping peak with the CPU. Primary memory is two kinds. Primary memory are two kinds. One, RAM, that means random access memory, that is ROM. Read only memory. The capacity of primary and secondary memory are expressed in two ways. One, through dynamic power or hertz, and another is store capacity or byte. Two way those data storage. One is dynamic power or hertz, and second, store capacity or byte. Okay, RAM. For RAM is connected to the motherboard of the computer and smartphone. The processor primary stores data in RAM. Later, the processor processes data from the RAM, as the processor can collect the data from anywhere of the RAM. It is called random access memory. Now it is called random Now the capacity of the processor has tremendously increased and the software becomes complex and effective. So they use a vast area of memory, and now modern computer regularly at least a memory space of 2 gigabyte. This piece of RAM becomes faster to cope the speed of the processor. Now RAM. Sorry, now ROM. ROM means read only. ROM or read-only memory is also connected to the motherboard. Commands are required to keep ICT device or the computer software operate. Computer does not run without the commands. These commands are permanently stored in the ROM. Store Storage of memory does not depend on the power since it can only be read. It is called ROM or read-only memory. It is also called primary memory as storage data can be modified or new data can be added in, in it without applying different procedure. Now lesson 11, memory and storage device, other part. Another storage device is called hard disk. Perhaps you who use the computer know about the hard disk, often call it hard disk drive. An open file on computer is stored in the hard disk. It is main device of storage data. The IBM Computer Company first used hard disks in the manufacture of the mini computer to store data in 1956. The distinctive features of the ICT device is data storage. Today, computer usually come with hard disks running 50 gigabytes or 4 terabytes to store capacity. Usually, hard disks con- contains a set of static disks that are called floater made of 8 aluminum alloy or glass or ceramic on which an electromagnetic coating is given. Data is stored in it where the hard disk run. The floater spins and two heads on the each side of the disk read or write when the spitting. Hard disk is very popular in the economic or enormous capacity of the storage information. It's of two kinds. One is built-in. It's two kinds. One is built-in. Another is external hard disk. That's separated from the board. Can be separated. External hard disk. Okay, it can be connected to the computer, desktop, or laptop through a USB port. Thus, the external hard disk can be carried and transfer mammoth of data from one place to another place. Then is CD-ROM. CD or CD or DVD. CD means compact disc. consortium, and DVD means digital versatile disc or digital video disc are very familiar with you. You have read in class 6 how the rainbow can be viewed by it. A thin layer of aluminum is applied on lower position of the CD or DVD and it protected by polycarbonate plastic from each side. Sometimes gold coating is given on the surface to make it reflective. Laser ray is used to store and read data on CD or DVD. This head of is nothing but a device to create laser beam that store data on the aluminum layer and can read when required. Full stop. CD and DVD are very popular right now for its data storage capacity, portability, durability, cheapness, and convenience. Popularity 1. Data storage capacity. 2. Portability. 3. Durability. 4. Cheapness. 5. Convenience. Convenience. That's why these are very popular. DVD is more powerful in storage data than laser beam. DVD is more powerful storage data than CD. Nowadays, DVD disc called Blu-ray is available in the market, and the capacity of the storage device is more than the common DVD. And lastly, flash drive and memory card. Finally, users need to transfer data from one computer to another computer, and it can be easily done by networking. But where there is no network facility, a different kind of storage device is used. This name of the is a easily portable storage device. is pen drive or flash drive. Perhaps you understood it is small like a pen and can be carried in pocket. When it first came in the market in 2000, its data storage capacity was 32 megabyte. Now, pen drive of 32 gigabytes are available in the market and the price cheap too. It is more durable than CD or DVD, so it is popular in the early increased amount of users. Now, microscopic implantation cards are used to store data from pen drives. So, flash drive they are called memory card, and then can be stored a huge amount of information also, but they cannot be divided into parts. But the flash or the memory card cannot be connected directly. Either fixed slot or memory card reader are needed to use the memory cards to the device. Okay, that's all for today. Our next class we will discuss one more topic about this chapter or topic. Okay, till then, Allah Hafiz.